The following movie is rated I.
Welcome to the cheesiest reviews on YouTube. We got an AstroAI portable car vacuum cleaner we're going to check out. It comes in a line of this refrigerator and many other products that they carry. This thing's awesome. Looks like a extension suction tube. Oh, look at that. And a nice carrying case. Now I like when they do that. It makes it nice and tidy to put away and keep all your accessories. Multilingual user's manual. This comes with a 2-year limited warranty from AstroAI. Impressive. Seems like everybody's stepping up their game. And this company's been around for a while. It draws 100 watts and it's 75 decibels while running. I hope this works better than that Walmart one I bought. That was garbage. We will see. As you know, in Cheezy's garage, we are always 100% honest. So it looks like extra filter. Looks like a rug scrubbing vacuum tool. Another filter. Hopefully they're available on their website. I think I did see those. The vacuum cleaner itself, with an installed filter, cleaning tool, and of course the crevice tool.
That's what she said.
Well, let's see if this vacuum sucks or not. Har har. That reminds me of a blonde joke. What's the difference between a blonde and a mosquito? The mosquito will stop s**ing when you smack it. Is that too adult for everybody? Oh, look at that. Fancy light. Single speed with a headlight. Let's put one of these filters back in. This is a tough rug. I don't know if it's going to do it. I'll put the light on. Definitely feels like it's got more volume and suction than the Walmart one. Let's try our little scrubby tool. Definitely works better than the Walmart one. It's definitely not going to beat a shop vac. But if you're out in the woods camping, I don't think you're going to bring your shop vac either. What are you doing, kitty? Oh yeah. Way better than the Walmart one. I wouldn't even pick this stuff up. So for a car vacuum, it doesn't suck. Because it sucks. You figure that one out. Let's try out the crevice tool. We do have some dirt in our crevices.
That's what she said!
Woo! Oh yeah. Look at the difference. That Walmart one, I don't think it had maybe 3 specks of dirt in it. Comes with an extension.
Well, I've got a little surprise for you.
You got the extender?
Oh, look at that. The accessory tools will fit on there. Let's see how long this cord is. Looks like 15 feet, a little over. Let's see how it packs away. Looks like I got it all in there. Voila! Let's see what this thing weighs. It's not too heavy. 2.3 pounds roughly. So, what do I think of this vacuum? I've never found a rechargeable or a 12-volt vacuum that really impressed me. But this did a pretty good job. Better than that Walmart one, that's for sure. Like I said, it's not a shop vac. But it has a pretty good amount of volume for a 12-volt vacuum. It cleaned the rug. Not spotless, but it did a pretty good job. For the price, I'd say it's a pretty good deal. Until next time, boys. Thanks for watching.
I said don't disturb me while I'm cleaning my room!
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.